Hello, don't so near.
Hah? Apa ni? Semua tulisan Cina tak ada bahasa Inggeris. Ni tekan mana ni? Alamak. Aduh.
Siapa ni?
Ni siapa pula ni?
Parah ni. Muka masam macam sampai ini, ha?
Macam mana I tak masam? You tengok.
Shopping, you have to be happy, ma.
Tak boleh, tak ada bahasa Melayu, bahasa Inggeris. I tak faham.
Follow what I say. I want you tap. Be careful. And then you go type. E-Z-E-U-Y.
Just go to Google search ezbuy.
Ini ezbuy. Apa ezbuy ni?
Same one, you trust me.
I trust you.
Trust me, you can go to Paku first. You listen to me.
Means, do you know with ezbuy you don't need to go here and there.
Okay.
You need to feel like this.
You know what is buy for me service? The buy for me is translated become beli untuk saya, 买给我. So it will help you to buy items from overseas. And this service is only available in ezbuy.
This one is same one. They have a buy for me function. So basically they can help you to translate all the bahasa Cina to English. So you can understand like that.
ezbuy team will buy all the things you want. We got over million of product from China, USA, Taiwan, and ship all of them to your doorstep.
Go to your favorite China shopping site. Browse and pick the product you want to buy. Copy the URL and paste it on ezbuy website and you are done. Everything will be translated to English and price show in Malaysia currency rate. Choose the product option and click Add to Cart. Proceed to View Shopping Cart. All the Add to Cart item will be listed here. Choose the product that you want to buy. Proceed to check out. Choose on which shipping method you want. ezbuy offer 4 different types of shipping method, including economy air, priority air, special air, and sea shipment. Once you are done, click Pay Now. You will be directed to payment page. Choose which payment method which you are more prefer and click Submit will do.
Besides that, it also comes with inspection, free packaging, consolidation service. You need to pay parking fee, you need to pay for Grab. ezbuy can help you all in this. It is the most convenient, hassle-free and worry-free service you ever deserve.
Ya ke?
Yeah,
Really?
really?
真的吗？
是真的。
You see, senang saja.
Lah, macam tu je.
Lot of things to buy lah. Ini kali lah. Go shopping already. Don't interview me. No time .
That's why I already tell you ezbuy buy for me service really.
很好。
很好。